I'm going to show you a recipe of a cake which doesn't have any sugar in it, no white form of sugar. And this is something that gets baked in my house every alternate day because my kids love it and I feel that I'm giving them no white sugar. There's enough of sugar floating around. This is, I find, easy to bake. Okay, so I'm going to take some ripe bananas. And what I do is I use the fork and I just mash it up. So the sweetness of this cake will come basically from fruits. I really encourage everyone to not use any other sweetener except for the fruit because it's pretty much enough. Some vanilla extract, not essence but the extract. So I'm going to use 2 eggs. And then I just mix it up. For those who don't have eggs in their diet, that's fine because you can grind up a tablespoon of chia seeds for 1 egg and put it in water, and that is got the same binding quality as eggs. Nothing should stop you from achieving your target basically. Okay, so I mix that up. A pinch of salt, literally just this much. I never cook to precise measurements, so just bear with me. Okay. Now what I use in this recipe is almond butter. Baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Another thing that I really like to add to this cake for the magnesium content is the cacao nibs, and so I'll just add. It really depends on your taste, but I do like a lot of it. And since strawberries are in season, what I'm going to do is chop up a few strawberries to add to it. So I'm going to chop that up. Now if you find that your batter is too thick, or you put a little extra coconut flour, sometimes I add a little bit of orange juice to it because I like the flavors of orange as well, all citrus. I'm going to throw in the strawberries as well. And mix it up. So it's really thick. It's not like a runny batter. It's going to be more like a banana bread. You can add a pinch of cinnamon if you like. You can even go with nutmeg if you like those warm flavors of winters. Yeah. This is what's ready to go into the oven. Yay!